Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this Fitbit Inspire 3. This is a health and fitness tracker. This one is the lilac colored band. So it comes with an extra longer band as well as a wireless charger. So this is a wireless charger. You can see it's a USB-A connector. What else is in the back? Just the quick start guide. And then you have to use the Fitbit app. So we'll get that downloaded and connected, and we'll go through how it works. So this is what the Fitbit looks like. You can see in the back, these are the sensors as well as these metal connectors for the charging. You can see that the strap has this notch on the inside to align with the holes here so that the free parts of these bands are not just floating around as a problem with some bands. These bands are removable. You can see it's very easy to remove. You just have this push pin here that you slide and they just come right off. And then same thing to put it back in, you're just gonna pull it back and put it in. You can see how easy it is to remove. You can buy other bands that make it look like a jewelry piece, a fashion piece, things like that. So it's very easily customizable. As far as the charger, it kind of just snaps in the back just like that. And then you just, to take it off, you just pull it off. So it's super easy to put the charger on, but you have to make sure that the pin part is aligned with the pins over here. Okay, so right off the bat, it says download the Fitbit app. So we're gonna download and connect it to the Fitbit app. Once you have the Fitbit app downloaded, you can sign in with Google or sign in with Fitbit. If you sign in with Google, it will ask you to connect with an existing Fitbit account or continue as a new user. If you have never used a Fitbit before, you just do a new user and then you just agree and continue, and then you can add your demographics. Before we continue, there is some protective plastic on the side that you can peel off on both sides. Once you answer these questions, it says Fitbit is ready to use. We can click continue. You have to scroll down, agree and continue. You can turn on notifications as you want, add a device, and then Inspire 3 and start setup. Let's see what's going on now. More agree. I think they could probably do less of that. There you go, it found it right away. It's connected. We're gonna hit pair, allow, continue, allow while using app, update. So this will update the Fitbit, so we can go ahead and do that. You can see it's showing the accurate time and date already. Here I've plugged in the charger, and you can see as it came, it was 32% charged and it's charging. When it's charging, it's showing this green screen around it. Okay, now that this has been worn for a day, we can share some information here. I've changed the face, so you can change, there's many different options available, but for example, this face, when you tap on it, you can see the bottom cycle through heart rate, steps, activity hours, things like that. You can slide through the face to see more information, for example, date and battery percentage, and you can see the step count. Keep scrolling, you can see how many miles you walked, how many hours you've been active, calories burned. Let's see, keep going. It'll show you your current or most recent heart rate. It'll show you your resting heart rate. It'll show you how many hours you slept last night. So this has been worn for about 18 hours after charging. You can see it was 93%. So it'll easily last you 5 days. Pulse ox level, how many hours you've been active, things like that. And then you can swipe to the, let's go back, and then you can always swipe to the other side, and you can see notifications, X to start an exercise, to start a relaxation session, alarms, timers, things like that. So you can go back that way. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You can actually change the settings for the notification, all the stuff on your phone. So lots of customizability. It's pretty lightweight. It's super lightweight actually. You barely feel that you have it on. It's a nice colored band. You can get many different colors. And yeah, so I'm super happy with how it works. On the side, there's 2 sides, and you can kind of, at nighttime, it automatically doesn't turn on when you turn the wrist. So then you kind of just press the side button and it turns on, which is pretty cool. So you can actually, you can't feel it on the screen obviously, but when I touch it, it vibrates to say that I'm waking up the the device. When the phone rings, this vibrates. You can obviously change that. If you get a notification this can vibrate, you can change that as well. But the haptic, the vibration is super nice and super gentle, but definitely noticeable. So hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.